This pile of rotting mangoes just made someone rich. While Africa loses 30% of its food to waste every year, one company in the Gambia found a way to turn that problem into profit. And they're creating jobs for the people who need them most. Meet Fortis Invicta's integrated circular economy hub. They take agricultural waste that would normally rot and transform it into biomass briquettes for clean fuel, biochar for soil enhancement, and even building materials. But here's what makes this revolutionary. 70% of the jobs go to women and young people, with hands-on training in renewable energy and business management. This isn't just about waste management, it's about wealth creation. The hub operates as a complete zero-waste loop, where every byproduct becomes an input for something else. And because it's modular and replicable, this pilot project in the Gambia is designed to scale across West Africa, from waste to wealth, from vision to impact. That's how you build a circular economy that actually works.